Hey guys, me again. Hope your AP Gov test went well. Probably good to have it over and more to come. So lucky you. Hope you had a good weekend too. I'll be back tomorrow so we can catch up on things. But for today, I just wanted to make you a little video of what you're up to in our process. So if you recall, we've been working on this researched argument. You've picked a topic. You built a mini argument outline, that skeletal looking thing like this. And from there, you did the exciting magical work of fleshing it out so you can start to see a paper emerging. You're pulling information from sources and you're citing those sources, and things are starting to look up. And if they're not, don't worry. When I come back, we will definitely get things looking up. Okay, so that's where you are. Now we start even more magic. We start turning this fleshed out outline into an actual rough draft. And so now your job is a little different than past papers, perhaps. The job of writing a true research paper is almost like a person sewing a quilt. You have all the patches. Now we just need to piece them together and make sure that you own the quilt, the paper. And so to help you with that, I did attach a sample paper. Student wrote this one a few years ago. I thought it was really lovely. He had his own argument here at the end, and he sprinkles in his source use as he goes. Okay, and then of course he's got his works cited at the end, which I'm not going to go to because that'll take a while, but you can read this sample paper over if you like. I posted it right here. But that's what you're going to be up to now, taking that outline and building it into a paper. My suggestion to do that is that you take your outline and hit File, make a copy, and call it your rough draft. And that way I'll still be able to look back at the outline, but you'll be able to move forward writing. Then, after you've made your copy, let's post it here in the rough draft area so I can see your rough draft too. And basically on that rough draft document, you just start, like I said, sewing your quilt. Turning, like you can write right over the top of this, get rid of your bullets, double space it, get rid of all this stuff. Okay, like this. If I wanted to, I could do that, but I won't. And start turning this into a paragraph. Just right over the top of it. So that's what you're up to today, and that's what we'll work on tomorrow. My hope is that you have a solid start so that we could do a little table read on Wednesday. The schedule says the rough draft is due Wednesday. By that, I mean I want you to have a good solid start, several pages done, so we can start to see how you're doing before you get too far in. Okay? So you give it your best shot, be good to the sub, and I will be back to see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.